Today, we're going to learn how to send birthday push notifications to your end users. And by the way, if you like this implementation series, be sure to leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so you'll never miss out on new content like this. And today's question is from Jim. Jim asked, I want to automatically send push notifications on the user's birthday. The birthday is a date property of the user class. How do I do that in Cloud Code? So Jim, you're going to see it's very easy. So here I created a index.js file where I instantiated the parse SDK, which you do not have to do in Cloud Code. I did this in my machine so I can have auto-completion. But this is not needed in Cloud Code as the parse SDK is already instantiated in there. And now we're going to start creating our Cloud Code function. So we'll type parse.cloud.define and then the function name. So send birthday push notifications. In this you'll get an async that we're going to arrow function to our code. And the very first step is to determine the times between today, the very first second, and the very last second of today, or at least the very first second of tomorrow, because I have the 24 hours period where a user can have a birthday. So let's do that by typing const today equals new date, and let's set the today's time to the very first second. So today dot set hours, and then we're going to pass 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 0 milliseconds. And we're going to do the same for tomorrow. So const tomorrow equals new date today. This will create a new date exactly like it is today, but we're going to add a new day for it. We'll do that by typing tomorrow dot set date today dot get date plus 1. So I have one more day. Tomorrow is today plus 1 day. And now I have to set the time for tomorrow as the very first second. So tomorrow dot set hours, and once again 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 0 milliseconds. So now between today and tomorrow I have the 24 hours that corresponds to today. Now we are going to write a parse query that hits the parse user class. So const query equals new parse.query on the parse.user class. Query dot greater than or equal to birthday, because this is the name of the property Jim said it is in his user class, so birthday, and then today. So I'm looking for any dates greater than or equal today. And then I have to limit this with less than tomorrow. So query dot less than, once again, birthday, the property name, and tomorrow. So this will retrieve all the users which the birthday is between today and tomorrow. Now let's do const users equals await query.find. Now my users array will contain all the users that matches these both constraints of my query. So for const user of users, so we're going to loop through all the results in the users array. We're going to const push query equals new parse query on the parse installation class, which is where you store the device ID for the devices, so you can target those devices to send pushes. So push query equal to, and I want to get all the users. The property name for that is user, which matches my user from here. And then parse.push.send this will get a JSON object where matches the push query with the data that I'm going to specify once again as a object. So let's say alert happy birthday. You can put additional fields in the data property if you need to. And last but not least, we will need to add the use master key as true, because sending pushes need special privileges on the class, and regular users do not have that. So we're going to put a comma and use master key true. Now, this is pretty much all the code that you have to do to send the push notifications to your end users. Now, all you have to do is to schedule this, the call for this function, or actually create it as a Cloud Code function that runs once a day, and all the users that have a birthday today will get a happy birthday notification. So, if you like this video, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.